Games. 1. What games are popular in your country? Why? Answer: India is the country of youth. Almost every young person is involved in playing any games. There are many games played here like cricket, football, tennis, kabaddi, so on. Cricket, hockey and kabaddi are very famous games in my country. Cricket is considered a religion here. 2. Do you play any games? Why? Why not? Answer: Yes, I do play indoor and outdoor games. Cricket is my favorite sport. I started playing cricket when I was 10 years old. Once I watched a cricket match on TV that sparked my interest in this great sport. I play carom board with my family members. 3. How do people learn to play games in your countries? Answer: There are many ways to learn to play any games. Mostly we see other and imitate. Television and YouTube are very influential to teach people how to play any sport. Sometimes people hire instructors and coaches as well. 4. Do you think it is important for people to play any games? Why? Why not? Answer: I personally believe that playing games is very crucial nowadays. Gone are the days when people had very limited choice to work electronically. Most of the works were done manually that allowed people to have some physical exercise. To lead a health and balanced life in this busy life, it is very instrumental to play sports. Otherwise we may have to face health breakdown. Part 2 Questions and Model Answers. Describe an open-air or street market which you enjoyed visiting. You should say, where the market is, what the market sells, how big the market is, and explain why you enjoyed visiting this market. Model answer. Shopping is one of my favorite hobbies. I go to buy a variety of things like clothes, gadgets, books and daily products on various places. I have so far visited many places for shopping purpose. In my hometown, which is situated 20 kilometers away from my residence, there is an open-air markets held on weekends. On weekends people from far and wide visit here. I also love going there. There is wide range of products on reasonable prices available there. Almost everything is readily available there. Here we can find cell phones, clothes, electronic products and things used for domestic purposes are sold. This place is spread in almost 10 acres of land. Why I like going there? Because the prices of products are very less than other markets in my hometown. Some people think that the quality of products is not so good, but I never find any issue what we buy from there. Fashionable clothes are on demand every time. The shopkeepers are very intelligent, they keep pace with latest clothing style. Trendy t-shirt, jeans, gift items and old phones attract people there. On Sunday it gets very tough to buy what we want because of heavy rush there. I have very good connection with some shopkeepers there. I can go and get anything on installment. If I run short of money it does not bother me. I can buy and pay later. I have been visiting this market for last 6 years. The products we have bought are of good quality and we can trust the sellers. Last Sunday I bought a watch for my friends and he appreciated it. Whenever we have to buy any special gift we do visit this place. I believe that the market is going to expand more in the future because its popularity is rising day by day. In other words, it is progressing by the leaps and the bounds. Part 3 Questions and Model Answers. Discussions. Topics. Shopping at markets. 1. Do people in your country enjoy going to open-air markets that sell things like food or clothes and old objects? Which type of market is more popular? Why? Answer. In my country open-air market is very popular. When it comes to food, people are these days fond of eating fast food. The open-air market is their first choice. Economic background does play its part. People from middle-class families like to buy from such places. Rich people go to shopping malls where they can buy branded clothes. If I talk about old things, they are sold on personal shops. 3. Do you think young people feel the same about shopping at markets as older people? Why is this? Answer. I believe that old people have different opinions on shopping at markets. Young people go for trendy products which are in fashion, while senior citizens keep budget, simplicity and durability of the thing they want to buy. Young may avoid all this. Online shopping is on rise, young may opt for that. Shopping and journal. 1. How does advertising influence what people choose to buy? Is this true for everyone? Answer. The advertisement plays decisive role in people's choice. I have personally experienced that most of my buying decisions are influenced by the ads. Ads are used to hook up people. People happen to buy what they really don't want. Ads show the positive impact with compromising contents. I think almost everything is affected by advertisements. 2. Do you think that any recent changes in the way people's lives have affected general shopping habits? Why is this? Answer: gone are the days when people would buy anything on certain occasion. People these days buy what they like, not what they need. Online shopping has availed various options to get anything. You can get what you want at your doorsteps using your fingers. Popularity of online shopping has hugely affected the general shopping habits.